Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to give your photo a urban effect by using Lightroom Mobile. Here are some photos before and after applying the preset. So, let's start editing. First go to Light. Set the exposure down to -0.20. Contrast to +50. Highlight down to -23. Shadows to +46. Whites to -80. And bring blacks to +60. Now, go to curve. And go to white color. Now do same as I am doing. Go to color. +50 for vibrance and saturation to -12. Now, go to color mix and in that go to orange color. -10 for hue. Saturation to -23. And set luminance to +26. Now for other colors which are left, set the saturation to -100 for all. Go to Effect and that go to Split Tone. Here, highlights hue to 220 and set saturation to 10. Shadow set hue to 220 and saturation to 5. And done. Now if you want you can set texture according to your photo. Bring the clarity to +60. Dehaze to +20. scrolling down -10 for vignette. Now go to detail. Sharpening to 20. And noise reduction to 35. And finish. Now let's try the preset on other photos by copying its setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified for upcoming amazing videos like this.